Hi my friends, this is Georgina Zagaro Chavez from Chicago Waterproof, and the reason of this small short video is to explain what you see in there. Probably this is your brick in your home, what it means, those stains. A lot of people, they don't know, and we as a professionals, we have to explain to people when you have issues with water inside your house, okay? And this is the video that I wanted to show you. Do you see those stains, the white stains, those little changes on the stains? That means it's water inside, trapped inside the wall. Now, this is very common. What you have to do is treat it, okay? We do a treatments in walls, and we prevent water to get into your properties, okay? So, I wanted to show you how it looks like, because a lot of people have been asking me that. Alright, until then, this is Georgina Zagaro from Chicago Waterproof. My phone number here is 773-805-2248. We can do a free assessment. Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye.